I'm Dan with Inspiring Builds. Did you know that sagging shower doors are one of the most common bathroom annoyances? If your sticks, scrapes, or leaks water on the floor, don't worry, you're not alone. But fixing it is easier than you may think. Let me show you how. A sagging glass shower door isn't just frustrating, it can lead to leaks, damage, and even safety issues. The good news, you don't need fancy tools or to hire a professional to help fix it. In just a couple of minutes, I will show you how to get your door back in perfect shape. All you need are a suction cup, some shims, and a screwdriver, tools you likely already have at home. If not, I've included a link in the description below. One of the main causes of a sagging shower door is loose hinge screws. Over time, repeated use can cause them to loosen, allowing the door to shift downward, so start by checking and tightening them. In this case, the combination of the door's heavy glass panel and natural settling in a newly built home caused the misalignment. You can see here that the gap between the glass and the wall on the hinge side is significantly larger at the top than at the bottom. To begin, place two shims evenly spaced at the bottom of the door and slide them underneath to slightly lift the door into the correct position for support. Use a suction cup. This is a 4.5-inch size and I find it works really well. Instead of lifting by the handle, which I often see people do but strongly advise against as it increases the risk of breaking the glass, use the suction cup for a secure grip. With one hand holding the suction cup to stabilize the door, carefully loosen the screws on the clamp hinge. Do not remove them entirely, just loosen them enough to allow for adjustments. Be sure to loosen both the top and bottom hinge screws. Use a high-quality screwdriver as these screws can be quite tight. If a Phillips head screwdriver starts to strip a screw, try using a flathead screwdriver that fits properly and turn it carefully. To achieve a perfect adjustment, likely even better than when the door was originally installed, use two shims on the hinge side of the door. Place one shim near the bottom hinge, then while gripping and lifting the door with the suction cup, slide the second shim toward the top hinge. Ensure both shims are evenly spaced and that there is a small gap between the glass and the wall. Continue lifting with the suction cup to hold the door in place, then use the screwdriver to tighten the hinge screws. Afterwards, check the alignment to make sure the spacing is consistent and looks good. Open and close the door to verify it swings smoothly and sits properly. And just like that, your shower door is back in perfect shape. No more leaks, no scraping, and no frustration. Have you ever dealt with a sagging shower door? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please check out my other DIY home repair tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe.